What's up guys? I am about to open a Syed vintage wholesale Bale. It's on its way. I've just got a call from DHL saying it's on its way. But before I begin, if you want to win a bucket hat, go follow my Instagram and soon there's going to be a bucket hat for a giveaway. Might be like this, it might be like this. I'm upcycling loads at the minute from different various shirts. I don't know if you can see, it's my sewing machine. This is the shirt that this was made from. So if you want one like this, or there's a CK one over there. The next one that I make, I'm not sure what I'm making it from yet, will be given away on my Instagram. So make sure you go and follow that. It's at jamie.sco, and yeah, we'll go from there. But today's video, sorry if I've got fluff in my hair now, it's from the hat. I still need to perfect it a little bit. Today's video is on Syed vintage, so it's massive at the minute. Everyone's buying bales from Syed, and I wanted to see what all the fuss was about. So number wise, I think I paid, so it's £75 for the bale. It's an unsorted sweatshirt mix, and then it's £15 VAT, free delivery. So all in for about 100 sweatshirts apparently. We're looking at 90 quid. That's gone up since I've ordered. I ordered about 2 weeks ago, and that's now gone up. So if it's good, I'll be ordering another. If it's bad, I'll let you know. But the next thing you're gonna see is basically me nailing through this this box, bag, whatever it is. So I'll show you the bag and then I'm gonna get through it. There's about 100 items. You'll see me going very fast. It's not the way I unbox things, it's just gonna be a time lapse. And then I'm gonna do top 10, bottom 10 sweatshirts, and then estimate a price of how much I'm going to make from this bale. I've heard good reviews, I've heard bad reviews. I'm gonna give you my review, because why the hell not? Apparently about 50 to 60% of it is crap. So we're gonna see that. We're hopefully not gonna get 50-60% crap, but I'm expecting probably 20 items. I'm expecting 20 sellable items from 100 things. So, but the rest we're gonna upcycle, give away. We're gonna do various things with them. So follow it along. And the next thing you're gonna see is me unboxing. Right, so delivery's come, and it's a lot bigger and a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. So the delivery driver struggled to get it to my door. I've just gone to help him. It's 50 kilos of clothes. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it here because it'll be up to about here. Unless I lay it flat and put it to a side, I could do that. Or actually, I'm gonna bring it over here and put it on the floor and do it like that. But it's huge. Oh my god. So the next thing that you're going to see now is hopefully a time lapse of me just whipping them out. I'm going to pick them up, show, down, pick up, down, and then I've got two boxes to the left of me. I'm going to separate them into good and bad, and then take the best 10 and the worst 10 basically. So yeah, catch you in a second. Right, we are back. Hopefully, it's not gone dark and you can still see me. The light's fading. That was a lot of I wish you could see the piles. Down here. Oh, that was a lot of clothes. I'm gonna quickly go over what we got. You might have seen some gems in there, you might not have, but there's one really good one. Wait until the end, because this sweatshirt pays for the entire bale. I can't believe I got it, to be fair. I'm like, how the hell is that slipped in there? We'll start with bad ones, shall we? So, not too bad. There's not that much of a pile of bad stuff. Probably 20 items bad. So, it's just a purple turtleneck with a strangle collar. It's just not going to sell. Like, it's going to be a bucket hat. That might be the bucket hat you get. Who knows? Again, it looks straight from Primark, straight from Asda. Yeah. We'll run through the bad stuff. It's not that bad, just a maroon sweatshirt from George, so that's a literal Asda sweatshirt. Off the shoulder sweatshirt, nothing special. Quarter zip, but it's pretty battered. I don't even know what it says on it. I don't know. Someone call me grandma. I like to move it, move it. I don't even know what that says. Oh, Reykjavik. Wow. Wow, my brain did not function then. It says Reykjavik. There you go. Hello, Iceland. Any Icelandic people watching? Hi. Just not even a sweatshirt. It's a Gap sweatshirt, but it is battered. Ugly sweatshirt. Baby pink. It's actually not too bad. Just shows you how good it actually was. Actually, this one was probably the worst. It's literally a track and field top from a random school in America. Disgusting. Last but not least, absolute piss stained jumper. That was the first one you put in the bad pile. So that's the worst it has got. Absolute worst. Now for my hand picks of good stuff, I'm gonna save this one for last because I think it pays for the Bale. Genuinely, I need to check the price of it, but I think it pays for the Bale. Number 1, Kennedy. The spell out sweatshirts from American colleges and stuff, they sell really well at the minute. So that was what I was kind of hoping for, stuff like this. So that's one. We got a really cool, it's really thick. It's not that nice of a brand, I've never heard of it. It's like just a blue tag, but it's really thick material with a nice stripe for it. And I just think it's just really nice. You know, you can just feel a sweatshirt and you're like, yeah, that's a nice sweatshirt. Next up, little golf sweatshirt. I don't know why I put this in the pile, but I quite like it. This was in there just for the brand. It's Tommy Hilfiger. It's a quarter zip. It's not that nice, but it was in a bundle. Got turquoise sweatshirt with some birds on there, but I like the double colours quite a lot. Another quarter zip, black quarter zip with a little V-neck and some colourful shapes, embroidered colory shapes. Looks like Pac-Man a little bit. Oh, I'm out of breath doing that. It was 50 kg and I'm having to pull them up through tight wrapped plastic things. That's brand new with tags. It's green with a bit yellow. It's really thick and it's nice material, you know. Right, okay, I'm just realising that there's more than 10. Yeah, quite a lot more than 10, so I'm just going to quickly go bang, 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 bang. Well, I don't know what that says, but it's got some cool things down the side. Got pink Panthers sweatshirt, baby pink Panthers sweatshirt. Alaska, like I say, the big spell outs, they sell really nicely. Oh. Can't remember who won the Super Bowl, but I don't know. I'm not going to talk about American sports because I haven't got a clue. Ah, man. There's a lot of clothes here, guys. Hell of a lot of clothes. That's just black. I don't know why that's in that pile. Most of these are in there because of the quality of the sweatshirt. This was one of my favourites. I forgot the name of those little animals there. I think they're ferrets. I'm going to look back on them. I forgot what they're called. I don't think they're ferrets, but I know they hold hands in the water and they're really cute. Again, I like the double collar and it's quite just cute, isn't it? Saint Lucy Lightning. It's really hard to read sideways, you know. Right, and now we're on to the big gun that I didn't expect anything good, let alone like, not premium, but like good. So, here it is. We got a Nike Golf spell out black sweatshirt. And I've seen these sell for 80 quid, quite easy. And it's really nice. It's size XL, it's black, it's kind of suede-y looking, it's definitely real. Like, what a nice surprise that was. But yeah, that's Syed vintage. So I'm going to take this away because not things like this aren't going to be in every one at all. I know that for a fact. All in all, it's going to be a lot of work to wash them, to iron them, to sell them, but there's 70 things easy that I can sell for brackets of £10, £15, £20, £25, and then we've got this on top which might sell for 60, 70 quid. We've probably made touching 500 quid after all the work's done. So if I sold 70 things at £10, we've made 700 quid minus fees. You know, figure it out. There's a lot of stuff. I'll show you the pile after this, but there's a lot of stuff that is sellable in this, so I'm actually going to order a few more because I quite like them. And hopefully, if you're watching Syed, send me some more of these, please. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the Instagram. There's going to be a giveaway soon on a bucket hat. Not quite decided which one yet, but I'll make a few now, and you guys are going to get one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.